Hey everybody, Madeline Kennedy with Kennedy Coaching here, and I wanted to talk a minute about juicing. I am a big fan of drinking juice, particularly green juice, with mostly vegetables and a little bit of fruit in there. And I don't do juice cleanses anymore because I find them a lot like some of the fad diets. They offer big promises and don't necessarily deliver, especially long term. It's definitely not a sustainable weight loss approach. I know for me, I have to be careful because I don't necessarily always have the best relationship with food. I don't want to do anything that might get me on a more negative path. The way that I drink green juice most of the time, although this here has a lot of carrots in it, as you can see, I had some extra carrots. It's more like orange juice, but it's not. It's mostly vegetables, and I was just feeling a little bit like my immune system was a little down after I did an event last week, and so I'm having a few glasses a day. And by the end of the week, even towards the middle, where I'm also eating salads and, you know, eggs and all sorts of other stuff, still some dairy, but a lot of tea and that kind of thing. And I start feeling a lot better by the end of the week, and my skin starts looking better, and brain and body and everything starts working better. It costs about $150 for a decent juicer. You don't want to get one that's too cheap because they break. And maybe $70 if you want to do what I'm doing for a week, which is like three juices a day. And some people just, have a juice a day, and that's, a good way to go too. It can be really great for your immune system. I highly recommend it. Maybe give it a try if you want to kind of put a little more pep in your step and you're dealing with, staff that are giving you a hard time, or, just whatever's going on at work and you're just not quite feeling great. Add some juice in and see if it helps. Have a great day.